TC5017B Fire Supervisory CRT Drawing Creation. First of all, let's open the software. After opening the software, we click this System Configuration. There's a drawing tool in there. Enter password 119. Then click this to create a new one. After clicking New, we can add this base map. The format of the base map can be WMF or JPG. We found a picture in the directory. Okay, after adding it, click Save. Give it a file name. The fire partition name. Here is the floor number, or fire compartments. Group name. Host name or the name of this building. Group name as 1. Fire partition name as 1-1. Write it according to the actual situation on site. See, here 1 and 1-1. Next, we need to deploy the location. Just click this to place the widget and click it. Click the Place Components button. Click on the location to be placed. Fill in machine number, circuit number and part type, and location information. Click to confirm. Click to add more at this area. Add 10. After adding, let's click this to save. Here we can see the list of firefighting facilities. All components deployed in the drawings. Let's continue to deploy a few more. Manual call points. Click Save. Click the single choice arrow to select the deployed device. It can be moved and edited. Then, click Save again. Then, we use our programming software to add remarks. Create new one. Add a controller. If you already have the system information, you can use USB to export the data. Then modify the data. For the first time doing this, you have to do it like this. Select model number. Add loop. OK. No, 1-10 is smoke detector. Can edit in batches at once like this. Editing remarks of each component. And the sensitivity. Click Save after finishing. Export this comment file after saving. A little slow, please wait for a while. It popped up. Export it to D-disk. Confirm and close it. Then let's open this 5017B CRT drawing creation software again. Still have to log in first with password 119. Then click this R. Read comment information. Find the comment file. Open this. The comment information has been updated. You can see the comments when clicking the component.